Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the icon color on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the Themes app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just select Home Screen. Now just scroll down and enable themed icons. We have successfully enabled themed icons on our smartphone. Now, as you can see, these are some preset colors which are extracted from the background of your smartphone. Now, if you tap on the three dots over here, you will get more color combinations to choose from. Just like that. Now, if you tap on Other Color, you can select a solid color from here. Just like that. Now, if you go back, now from here, if you scroll down, you will have the option for color contrast. Now from here, you have three options to change the color contrast on your smartphone. Just like that. You have default, medium, and high. And this is how you can change the icon color on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.